if you could say your name and your connection to the Boyle Heights community.
Hello everybody, my name is Stephanie Serrano. I am a Garfield High School alumni, class of 2002. I also grew up in foster care in the San Gabriel Valley, so I lived in all these beautiful cities out here.
And if you could share a memorable experience or story about Boyle Heights, please.
Memorable experience. Probably one of the most impactful experiences that I had in this community was when I started learning about different types of music, particularly like punk rock in the community here. We had a really great art scene, like music scene in backyards, and so one of my favorite memories is just a lot of young people coming together through music, mosh pitting, connecting, and building community.
And what do you think of when you think of Boyle Heights community?
I think of history, I think of family. For people like me that grew up in foster care, I don't always have my own family, so I feel like our community has created a sense of family for people that maybe are either undocumented or like myself grew up in foster care or were disconnected from our family, or people that are just really working hard to make it. So family is one of the most important things that comes to me, in the sense of family and community here.
And what do you think should be improved in this community?
I think we should really really uplift the voices of our community when it comes to making decisions. Oftentimes decisions are made by people in power, often with education or degrees. And so fortunately sometimes when you get to that point, you're kind of disconnected from the community needs. And so it's really important to listen to the community that is facing a lot of barriers and hear from them what they need and really uplift their voices to get those things done.
And lastly, what sounds, when you think of Boyle House, what sounds do you think of?
I think of like cumbias on the weekends or even during the weekdays, celebrating birthdays and quinceañeras. I think about roosters at all hours in the morning, and it's so beautiful. I think of the elote man, and I remember a man used to come around in the weekends and say, huevos, and I love that. I love all this. I love the vendors and the raspado man and the honk of their horn. It really is like home.
Anything else that you'd like to share, or you think is important to highlight about Boyle Heights?
It's really important to preserve the community voice and allow the community to speak for themselves, not politicians.